In this video, I will show you how to crop any given video easily on your computer. I will show you 2 ways to crop any given video. You can use any of the 2 methods whichever suits you the best. So, here is the video that I want to crop. I want to crop this video in a way such that I can get this inner part. In the first method, go to Google and search DaVinci Resolve and click the first link. Scroll down and you will find free download now. Download it and install the software on your computer. If you already have DaVinci Resolve installed on your computer, then you can skip this step. Since I already have DaVinci Resolve installed on my computer, I will straight away open the software. Now, I will go and create a new project and give it the name Crop Video. Now drag and drop the video to import it into the software, and click Change Frame Rate. Now go to the Edit window option and drag the video to the timeline. To crop this video, I will select the video. Under Inspector, I will go to the cropping section. I will drag the slider to crop from the left. Then I will drag the slider to crop from right to an appropriate value. Then I will drag the slider to crop from the top. Finally, I will drag the slider to crop from the bottom. Now we have removed the inner part. Now we need to remove this black canvas. For this, go and select the Transform tool. Now I will transform this video simply like a photo, such that it can fit the entire canvas appropriately.
A few moments later.
Now we have successfully transformed the video and removed the black canvas. Now simply go to Quick Export. I will select the YouTube option and click the Export button. Now, it will ask you the folder where you want to save the video. And click Save. Now video processing has been started. It can take some time. Now here we have our cropped video. Let's open it and check the video. Now I will show you second and the easiest method to crop any given video in this universe. For this, go to the web browser and then go to canva.com. You can create an account in canva.com for free with your Google account. They have a paid plan, but you can get your job done totally for free. Even I'm using the canva.com free plan. Now go to Create. In the search box, type Video. Now I will select Video Landscape to crop my video. Now just drag and drop the video to canva.com. From the left, you can see that your video is getting uploaded. To crop this video, I will transform it just like a photo. Now I will make this video large so that it can fit the entire canvas. Now, once you are satisfied, then click on Share, and below, click on Download. Now download this video as MP4. The video is now getting processed by Canva.com. It can take some time. Now the cropped video is getting downloaded. Now let's check the cropped video. So, if you enjoyed this video and want more such videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.